you have an entitlement that says Network On-Premise, then you need to install the Sentinel Rights Management System on a server. Don't know how? This is the video for you to get going on Windows. To get your environment working, you download the RMS installation package, install the RMS with the option to configure the license later, generate the login code, activate the license, and configure the license file and assignment settings. You can download the Sentinel RMS from the Rocket Customer Portal. Log in to the Rocket Customer Portal at my.rocketsoftware.com. Click on Downloads and select Uniface under Selected Product. Click on the blue link to the left of Uniface Sentinel RMS. Download the correct package for our environment. Upload the package file to the machine you wish to install the RMS on. You can now install the RMS using the package you downloaded. Double-click the self-extracting archive and click OK. This opens the Sentinel RMS License Manager installation script. Click Unzip and wait for all files to extract, then click OK. After extraction and confirmation, the RMS server for Uniface installation prompt opens. Click Yes when prompted to elevate to administrative permissions. Press Enter to continue installation. Press Y, followed by Enter to agree to all terms of the license agreement. Choose the installation path of the RMS installation and press Enter for default. Now choose 3 to configure the license later. This will install a Sentinel in your chosen location. You generate a login code to activate the license. The first step is to obtain the login criteria. Log in to the Sentinel EMS with the entitlement ID from your Network On-Premise entitlement. Click on your entitlement and click Activate. This opens a form to generate the license file with the login code. Make note of the login criteria. With the login criteria, you generate the login code using WEchoID, allowing you to activate the license. Navigate to the RMS Tools folder. Run WEchoID.exe. Select the login criteria applicable for your license. Copy the login code listed in Code, starting from the asterisk. With the login code you can activate and download the license. In the EMS portal, paste the login code into primary 1 value. Click Activate to create the license file and download it. Upload the license file to this folder on your RMS machine. If you chose a different installation path, find the Sentinel RMS License Manager /WinNT folder. Optionally, rename the license file to lservrec if it has an extension. Now you can configure the license on your RMS server. Open Start, type Services, and click to open the Services app. Scroll down to Sentinel RMS Manager. Right-click Sentinel RMS Manager and choose Restart. You can now confirm if the license is active and that features can be checked out by using WLM admin on your RMS server. Open Explorer and navigate to the SafeNet Sentinel Tools folder. Run WLM admin. Click the plus to expand subnet servers and click the plus to expand your RMS server. This will reveal the features from your RMS server. Your Uniface servers and clients can now connect to this RMS. Add this assignment setting to the assignment file of your Uniface servers or clients, replacing the hostname or IP address of your RMS server.